In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for Temu affiliate program. So let's get started. So signing up is very simple. All you have to do is sign up into an account here in Temu. So you just need to go into temu.com. And then from here, you want to sign up for an account by clicking here on sign in or register. And then in here is that you want to simply provide your email address right here to sign in or register, or you could continue by using your Google account, Facebook, or Apple. And then once you're signed in, then you should now be prompted here into the dashboard. And in here, to go into the affiliate program, you just need to scroll down to the very bottom. And from here, you will now be able to see the affiliate and influencer right here, which is on the bottom left. You want to click on that. And then in here, you will now be able to see the ways on how you'd be able to earn here in their affiliate program. So first is that you have this one right here. You would have a welcome gift, which is 100 pesos or Philippine pesos right here. So if you convert this into USD, that will be around $2. And then you have this one right here. So you also get commissions on orders placed within 30 days of your referral when they download the app. So this is for new users that you'd be able to invite here into Temu. And you And you also have other ways right here. Like for example, if you're an influencer, then you can go here and you can click here on authorize to unlock, as you will need these social media platforms in order for you to proceed. And when you click here on details, you will now be able to see on the requirements on the number of followers on each platform that you would need to have to authorize or to unlock this feature here in affiliate program. And basically, you'd now be able to promote these campaigns. And next is that we have the hot items. So in here, you can now be an affiliate in these items right here. So you would get a commission when you sold these items using your link. So you can click here on the share button, and then you would now have your own unique link. And you just have to make sure that the customers will use this link in order for you to get a commission once the order has been successfully fulfilled. And next is that you can also invite another affiliate, and in this way, when they join via your referral code or link, then and after they also make a earning, then you would also get a commission from that. So this is also another way for you to get some earnings here in Temu. So you could maximize all of this right here depending on which one you would like to use. So that's it on how you'd be able to sign up for your Temu affiliate program. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.